Good morning, everyone. Jack McGrath with NakedTrader.com. The front-end contracts, there is a very good correlation with September and December Eurodollars with the S&P contract. You can watch these S&Ps. When they took a dive this morning, they went after SEP and DEES. This SEP contract tested very good support level at 99.55. That's today's low. Currently it's around 57, 57 and a half. I think risk reward is you buy the SEP contract looking for a trade back up to 62 and a half. That would indicate that S&Ps might have a nice little bid. Currently up 650. They have been all over the place this morning. Very active trades in the front end. Volatility. For example, the SEP 96 straddle yesterday traded for 14 basis points, traded up to 20 and a half this morning. We are seeing very good volatility in the front end of the Eurodollar curve. I would like to buy this SEP contract, looking for a trade back up. We had that 65 to 66 and a half area as the resistance yesterday. Proved to be a very good selling spot. You were supposed to stop yourself out above 67. It worked very well. Could have covered yesterday and made money no problem. So now I think it's the other way. If you look at the chart, we're kind of stuck in this range. If you started to take out 49, I think it would get ugly on the downside in September. So your levels to watch are 55, 54, which is an old low, 53 and a half, which was the low of the last move. So really below 53 and a half, you'd be looking for a trade down to 49. I actually think it's going to trade back up a little bit. I'd look for 58 and a half, 59, then a trade back up towards low 60s, like 61 to 62 and a half, right in there. We have seen good volatility. Yesterday, they pummeled vol further out. Red Pack 95 straddle strip settled at 192 on Tuesday. Traded down to 170 yesterday. Settled at 174. So they did go after Red Pack volatility yesterday. I think it's leveled off here a little bit this morning with this move. But volatility in the world has been under pressure. If you look at Fed funds, they've been selling vol there. If you look at Eurodollars selling vol there, Treasury vol got smoked yesterday as well. So the flight to everybody's looking at the Swiss LIBOR. Their front 7 contracts yesterday were trading over 100, and that's kind of the flavor that we're getting for the Eurodollars now. Today it's thrown a little bit of a wrench in it. I don't think the U.S. is the same as Swiss. I think you got to be very careful about the 100 strikes. Maybe it could go the other way here. You get a spike in LIBOR off of what's going around in the world. Europe is in very bad shape, so I would tend to think you're going to get a spike in LIBOR. It's going to be more expensive for people to borrow money. That's the thing you got to watch. So that's about it for today. We do get that 30-year today. So far, the auctions have gone very well. So we'll keep an eye on that around noontime, around lunchtime today. 30-year bond auction. It's Jack McGrath at NakedTrader.com. Have a good day. Thank you.